Welcome to Tech Study with M. If you enjoy learning about technology and want to stay up to date with the latest trends and innovations, then you've come to the right place. We're here to review Chatsonic, a revolutionary AI writing assistant. It can write exceptional, quality content, whether it's a blog post, a poem, an essay, or an email. We put it to the test, and we're blown away by the accuracy and detail of the material it produces. Not only was the content original and plagiarism-free, the AI was able to understand even the most complex of topics. Chatsonic is the perfect tool for anyone looking for a reliable and creative writing assistant. We highly recommend Chatsonic to anyone looking for a trustworthy and efficient AI writing assistant. And the fact is that this video is also scripted by Chatsonic. It is almost same as chat, so you see how good is this, right? If believe this too, comment down below. Like and subscribe. Firstly, if you haven't already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to stay updated whenever we upload a new video. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment to let us know what you think. We also have an Instagram page called techstudywithme, where we post behind-the-scenes photos, updates, and other tech-related content. Follow us on Instagram, simply search for techstudywithme and hit the follow button.
But I do it all again, just to feel the thrill. There's something about you, there's something, keep pulling to you. There's something, no good but I want you. There's something